Hello, first grade. Today we will write complete sentences for a procedure. We will write about how to make a friend. We're going to do this so that we can become better writers. Here is part of the procedure. I love making new friends. Number 1, I see someone sitting alone. Number 2, I walk up to her. 3, I smile and say hi. Number 4, I invite her to play a game with me. Making new friends is fun. So yesterday we brainstormed some different ways to make friends. Some of these might be your ways. These are someone's ways of making a friend put in the correct order. What they would do first, what they would do second, what they would do next, and what they would do last. They also added an interesting sentence to the end of the story. Making new friends is fun. Today we are going to look at your pictures, your illustrations that you drew yesterday in your journal. Look at what you drew first, look at what you drew second, look at what you drew for next, and look at what you drew for last. Now you are going to write complete sentences for each of those pictures. And we're going to write complete sentences on the paper in your journal. So first you're going to need to copy the title, How to Make a Friend. And then you're going to copy the first 2 complete sentences in your journal. It says, first, you smile at them. Second, you say hi to them. Now you're going to look at your pictures and you're going to write what you have for next. Next, blank. Last, blank. So using your pictures, what do you have for next and what do you have for last? Make sure you leave a line at the bottom for tomorrow's sentence. We are going to add a closing sentence to our story tomorrow. First, you need to copy in your journal how to make a friend. So, you are going to write how to make a friend. That is the title of your story. Write that in your journal at the very top. Okay, that's not part of your sentences. That is your title. The first sentence you need to write is first. What was the first thing we needed to do? You smile at them. So you need to write first, you smile at them. Okay, so you should have written first, comma, you smile at them, period. Make sure you began your sentence with a capital letter, that you have finger spaces between each of your words, and that you have a period at the end of your sentence. So the next sentence you're going to write is second, you say hi. You say hi. That is the second thing you do to make a friend. The second thing in these steps. Second, you say hi. Now you have to look at your pictures to know what to write for next and last. Now remember that we're going to add another sentence tomorrow, so do not write at the bottom of the paper. You should have 4 sentences today, plus your title at the top, How to Make a Friend. First, you smile at them. Second, you say hi. Next, look at your picture and write what you did next. Last, look at your pictures and write what you did last. Don't forget your capital letters and your periods. Remember that you need to write on the lines, write in your best handwriting, finger space between words, capitals, and periods at the end of your sentence. Then you're going to take a picture. Actually, don't take a picture yet because we're going to add to it tomorrow. So you can just take one picture tomorrow on Friday and turn it in to your teacher. Let's review what we talked about today. We talked about how to make a friend. We reviewed the steps that we drew. We drew in our journal the steps for making a friend. And then we wrote 2 sentences, what we do first, what we do second, and then you wrote by yourself what you do next and last by looking at your pictures in your journal. We wrote on the lines, we used our best handwriting, we used finger spaces between the words, we remembered to use capital letters, and we remembered to put a period at the end of our sentence. Okay, that's all for today. See you tomorrow. Bye.